I got a brush with a bunch of my dog's fur. Let's see her reaction to the fur. Let's see her reaction to the fur. Winter. Oh God, how stupid are you? Kitty, 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 kitty. Here, get it. You want it? You want it? You want it? What, is this a toy? Is this a toy for you? She doesn't know what a brush is, huh? This is what I put on you so I can brush you. So I can clean your fur. So you can be nice and clean. I also do this on the dog. You like this? You like this? Oh, it's on top of you now. You cats are weird. Hi. Got a little something there. Here, let me fix that. Oh no, did I step on this? Did I step on the little slug? Oh no, don't, what are you doing? What are you doing? You can't eat that. It's a slug. Well, Winter's finally being nice to me. That's nice. That's nice. She's being nice to me. What a nice kitty. And we accidentally murdered a slug in the process. Hey, Winter, look at the camera.